Hi, so over here is a pedestrian tunnel that we can take to my mom's law firm. So here's the Kennedy Building. There's a little bit of a timeline of the history of Tulsa, the Indian Territory, starting from 1892. You guys can see there's quite a timeline. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. So if you're talking on the phone and you're in this tunnel, sometimes the call will cut. Ooh, kind of a dark, scary tunnel.
Higher floors, like above 12.
Alright, so these elevators go to the higher floors, and these go to the lower floors, and I guess the lower ones are what we would want.
Daryl? Yes. Can you help me? I don't have my phone. Floor 7.
Ooh. Here's floor 7, where my mom's law firm is at. Alright, so here's the waiting room. I assume there's a secretary that would work at that desk, or I guess there's a bell you would ring for assistance. Over here is a little couch where you can rest at. You know, while you're waiting, you can sit there as well. There's footrest. Over here is a conference room. There's lots of different books, like on the shelves, both sides. Different chairs. I guess if there's going to be a serious meeting about legal matters, I guess this is where you'd have it. I've got a couple of artifacts over here. Like, here's something from the Oklahoma City bombing. That happened about 30 years ago. This is in memory of Arlene Joplin. That's my grandmother. Over here we've got a couple other cool things. Some antiquities. We've got skeletal esophagus, I guess. Now let's come over here. So here's my mom's office where she works. We've got a bunch of different paintings, sculptures, antiquities, and there's my mom. So this is where she works. It's got a nice desk, pretty comfortable setup, I guess you could say. Has a pretty nice view of downtown. Looks nice.